tell y'all a little holy story. I'm gonna sing some holy hymns. I was out hiking with some of my holy brothers. We were up in the Holy Rhone Highlands. Holy big mountains with no trees on them. We were hiking around in a psychedelic rainstorm. Everybody thought we were lost, but I knew where I was going. We ended up in a psychedelic shelter, an abandoned barn. There's about room for 50 people. The rain's pouring down, it's freezing outside. And there's like 70 Christians up inside there. Reformed, masturbating every second homies, and ex-drug addicts, and hair-on pimps, and all types of reformed, trying to be Christian types. We was guzzling and chugging, doing shrooms, puffing pounds of weed, blowing the hits all over the place. We passed out and we woke up and it was a holy snowstorm outside. The snow was coming down, it was all iced over. And I went down and I started singing holy Christian hymns and blowing huge puffs of weed up through the cracks, secondhand smoking up all the reformed masturbators and everything. All the hair-on pimps were blazing. All the little kids was secondhand high. Everybody was real pissed. And I sang holy hymns to them. And after that, we started hiking, and this big old fat boy named Nathaniel got picked up by the wind and carried away. But he came back. And then my boy started crying tears of fear, psychedelic joy. And we had to turn around and traverse through the holy ice and snow for 10 miles back to the whip. We're coming up over the psychedelic mountains with the ice and snow blasting down. But we got back. And that shit was off the chain. Now we're going to lead you in some holy hymns. Are you ready, choir? This first one's called, And He Will Raise You Up Upon Eagle's Wings.
My rock in whom I trust, and He will raise you up on eagle's wings, bear you on the breath of dawn, make you to shine like the sun, and hold you in the palm of His hand. Snare of the fowler will never capture you, and famine will bring you no fear. Under His wings your refuge, His faithfulness your shield. And He will raise you up on eagle's wings, bear you on the breath of dawn, make you to shine like the sun, and hold you in the palm of His hand. You need not fear the terror of the night, nor the arrow that flies by day. Though thousands fall about you, near it you shall not come. And He will raise you up on eagle's wings, bear you on the breath of dawn. sun and hold you in the palm of his hand.
For to his angels he's given a command to guard you in all your ways. Upon their hands they will bear you up, lest you dash your foot against a stone.
And he will raise you up on eagle's wings, bear you on the breath of dawn, make you to shine like the sun, and hold you in the palm of his hand, hold you in the palm of his hand.
That's a hot-ass road. All right, y'all, the next one is called Holy, Holy, Holy. I thought it was a fitting tune to close this holy thing with. A little intro.
Holy, 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 Lord God Almighty, early in the morning our song shall rise to thee. There is a sign at the side of thee, merciful and mighty, God in three persons, blessed Trinity. Holy, 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 though the darkness hide me, though the eye of sinful man thy glory may not see. Only thou art holy, there is none beside thee, perfect in power, in love and purity. Holy, 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 Lord God Almighty, all thy works shall praise thy name in earth and sky and sea. There is a sign at the side of thee, there is none beside thee, God in three persons, blessed Trinity. Should we walk the bridge now? It's fine right here.
Well, thanks everyone for coming and hearing us sing the Lord's words and, seeing out the whole show. Thank you, Scott, for doing the show. And hell is hot. It's hot as fucking here. It's great. All right? It's hot. So, cool. Thank you, everybody. Sick!
I feel hell.
You feel hell?
Wait, a pistol or gloves?
Thank y'all. We're gonna get changed up.
One more song.
That went well.
Great team.
You got some seats?
Yeah.